people, it's Esther here again, and I am back with another Edtech Simplified video. In this video, I'll be talking about the Zoom Immersive View. Have you ever heard of it? Well, if you haven't, watch this video till the end. For the Immersive View feature, the first thing I want to do is to confirm that my Zoom app is up to date. I'm gonna navigate to my profile picture in the top right corner. Click on that and scroll down to check for updates. Click on it and it's going to show you if your app is up to date or not. As you can see, my app is up to date. I'm going to click done and then I proceed to my settings. Below my profile picture, I click on settings and I navigate to view more settings. Clicking on that would open up a new tab containing all the settings. What I want to set is the Immersive View feature, and that is under my in-meeting setting. I navigate to in-meeting advanced, click on it, and then it's going to show me the features under that. Then I scroll down to Immersive View. Make sure that the Immersive View feature is toggled on. If it's not on, then you have to toggle it on. As you can see, mine is already active. Now I am good to go. I'm gonna go back to my Zoom app and start a meeting. My Zoom meeting is on now and I want to use the Immersive View scene. I'm gonna click on the view icon that is in the top right corner and it's gonna show me speaker, gallery, and immersive. I'm currently on gallery, but I'm going to switch to immersive. Now the immersive view, as I said before, is to give your meeting a different feel. You get an entirely different scene. We have quite a number of views here. We have art gallery, we have auditorium, we have boardroom, fireside chat, cafe seats, classrooms, kitchen, the learning pods. Well, we do have a lot here depending on what you want to use it for and the number of people you want to have in your meeting. We're gonna try each one of these immersive scenes. Go with the first one, the art gallery. I'm gonna click on it and then I click on start. Now you can see that I am in one of the frames. I could also manually move myself around on this frame to put myself on the first frame or the middle frame. Now let's try a different one. I'm going to return to view, change immersive view. You can see that when you choose an immersive view, you can either allow your participant to view your immersive view or not allow them to view your immersive view. Take note that if your participants are not using the right hardware or an up-to-date version of Zoom, they might not be able to experience the immersive view. Instead of seeing the background, they're going to be seeing a dark background. So you want to ensure, if you really want to enjoy this immersive scene, you want to ensure that all your participants have their application up to date. Let's try the auditorium view. We have 25 seats. That means that 25 people can actually be placed in this auditorium, the virtual auditorium. I'm going to start that, and this is me, but I want to move myself to the back of the auditorium. I'm just going to click on my image or my video and drag it up to the top of the auditorium. This feature is fantastic for interaction. It brings your meeting to life. Instead of the stand-up meeting we usually have, you can incorporate this in your classroom to make your classroom more alive. I'll proceed to switch the view. And also note that what you're seeing right now is what your participants are going to be viewing, because here we automatically chose that we want to place our participants into the view. Whatever immersive scene you choose, your participants will be placed in that view. I'm going to choose another one. Let's say this ski lift here. Start. Fantastic. So it feels like we're actually on a real ski lift. We are not. And I'm going to move myself to this side, and your other participant would be on this side, on the other side. If you want to switch from immersive view to the gallery view or speaker view,
All you have to do is click on the view icon and choose your gallery view, and then it will stop the immersive view for everyone. I'm going to stop it now, and I have my normal Zoom speaker view.
Thank you for watching this video. I know you learned a thing or two. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you can get notified when new videos drop. Thank you. Bye.